Over the past few months we've had a lot of rain, and as a result a lot of our riding area is underwater, and we've been riding through a lot of deep water and mud. And as I ride along this track I can feel the back end wobbling around. At first I thought it was a flat tyre. However, on closer inspection I can see that the rear wheel bearing on the drive side has totally collapsed. Some of the ball bearings are missing and the seal has totally disappeared. By the time I got off the bush track and back to the trailer, the ball race had completely disintegrated and some of the bearings had actually smashed through the bearing housing. So there's splinters of metal everywhere in the back wheel. On an annual basis I change wheel bearings. And the reason for this is that the wheel bearings are actually quite small for the amount of load that's put on them. And also the sealing, or the seal protection, isn't very good, so water can get in past those seals. So what I did here is I machined a new spacer, which was able to allow me to put two sealed bearings on the drive side in there. And the reason that the spacer still has that extension on it, or tube, is to hold the crush tube that's inside the hub, and that keeps the bearings from being crushed. I find that if I flick out the seals on the sealed bearing and fill them with grease, the actual seals last much longer than the normal axle seal. So this is a much better arrangement than standard. And by the way, I don't ever get flat tyres because I run boost tubes.